What's up guys, it's Budoy here and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I am going to show you how to get an access in your Android file directory without rooting your device. So let's get started. First of all, download this app in the Play Store. It's called ZArchiver. As you can see here, if we access our Android file directory, it says access denied. So we are going to access it by using this app called Shisoko. First of all, you need to enable your developer options. And then as you can see, we have different types of steps enable to connect it. So we need to go to the developer options, enable the USB debugging and our wireless debugging. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and click the USB debugging on the left. Click the pair device and input the code as you can see in the screen. Take note, if you need to connect in a Wi-Fi, the internet doesn't matter anyways. So you can still do this even without internet. And now we are connected to our Shisoko. Now let's go back to Shisoko to pair it. Now let's click the start, and now as you can see, now we are now connected and we can now access our root file. Now we go back to ZArchiver and click the Android and data. As you can see, we can now access our application directory. This method will help you to copy and paste some saved files of your games or data from previous devices. Take note that this method will not harm your device, but if you restart your device, you need to repeat the steps to enable to access this Android file directory again. So that's it. It's very easy. So if you have a latest Android version and you cannot access your Android file directory, do these steps so that you can enable to access your Android file directory. Thank you for watching our video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.